My beloved child, do you hear me? Even now, in this moment, I am speaking to you. My voice is not in the noise of the world, but in the stillness of your heart. I am here, closer than the air you breathe, nearer than the beat of your own heart. You are not forgotten, you are not forsaken. You are mine, and I have loved you with an everlasting love. Like this video, if you are blessed, when the world tells you that you are not enough, remember this. I formed you with my own hands, shaped you with purpose, and breathed my own life into you. You are my masterpiece, created for a destiny far greater than you can imagine. Do not measure yourself by the standards of the world, for I have set you apart for something divine. Come to me, my child, lay your burdens at my feet. The weight you carry was never meant to be yours alone. I see the struggles that no one else sees. I hear the cries of your heart, the silent prayers, the longing for peace, the questions that seem to have no answers. But I am the answer. I am your peace. I am the strength that will carry you through every storm. Do not fear the days ahead, for I have already gone before you. I hold your future in my hands. What seems uncertain to you is already known to me. My plans for you are good, filled with hope and purpose. When you walk through the valleys, I will be your light. When you stand before mountains, I will be your strength. When you feel weak, I will uphold you with my mighty hand. You were not created to live in defeat. You are more than a conqueror. You are victorious, not because of your own strength, but because I am with you. I have placed within you a spirit of power, of love, and of sound mind. Do not let the enemy's lies shake your faith. Stand firm on my promises, for they are unshakable and everlasting. Lift your eyes, my beloved. See how I provide for you. See how I lead you, even when you cannot see the way. I am always working, even in the silence. Every tear you have shed, I have counted. Every prayer you have whispered, I have heard. Nothing is wasted. Every trial is shaping you, refining you, preparing you for the blessings that are coming. Trust me, walk with me, seek me with all your heart, and you will find me. My love for you knows no limits. My grace is more than enough. My power is made perfect in your weakness. You do not have to strive for my approval, you already have it. I delight in you, my child. I rejoice over you with singing. Come, rest in my presence. Let my peace fill you. Let my joy be your strength. Let my promises be the foundation upon which you stand. Hold on to me, and I will never let you go. The best is yet to come, and I am leading you into a future more beautiful than you can imagine. Subscribe if you trust in God's plan. My beloved child, you have heard my voice, and now I ask you, will you trust me? Even when you cannot see what's ahead, will you believe that I am guiding you? My plans for you are greater than what you can see now. I am weaving a masterpiece out of your life, even through the moments that seem unclear or difficult. Do not be discouraged by delays or detours. What seems like a setback is often my setup for something greater. Every step you take with me is leading you to the purpose I designed just for you. Your pain is not pointless. Your struggles are not unseen. I am using them to shape you into the person I created you to be. Strong, steadfast, and full of faith. When the enemy whispers lies that you are not enough, remind yourself of what I have already spoken over you. You are chosen. You are called. You are loved beyond measure. The world may overlook you, but I never will. I know every detail of your life, every thought, every tear, every dream, and I am working all things together for your good. I am your provider, your healer, your protector. The same power that raised my son from the dead is alive in you. You are not weak. You are not alone. You are covered by my grace and strengthened by my spirit. Walk in confidence, my child. Lift your head. You are royalty, an heir to my kingdom. Do not let fear hold you back from the blessings I have prepared for you. Doors will open that no one can shut. Battles will be won, not by your might, but by my power working through you. Keep seeking me. Keep believing. Keep pressing forward. Every moment you spend with me, every word of mine that you hold in your heart, is shaping your destiny. The best is still ahead. You are walking into a future filled with my goodness, my peace, and my unfailing love. Type 1111 to claim it. My beloved child, I see your heart. I know your worries, your struggles, and the burdens you silently carry. You wonder if I hear your prayers, if I see your tears, if I understand the weight of what you're going through. My precious one, I do. I have never left you, not for a single moment. Even when you cannot feel me, I am closer than your breath, watching over you with a love that never fails. You do not walk this path alone. The storms may rage, and the trials may seem unending, but take heart. Every battle you face is shaping you into the person I created you to be. The enemy will try to whisper lies, telling you that you are too weak, too broken, too far gone. But my truth stands forever. You are chosen. You are loved. You are mine. When you feel weary, come to me. Lay down the burdens you were never meant to carry. Let my peace fill your heart, my grace sustain you, and my strength lift you up. Do not be afraid of the unknown, for I am already there. I go before you, preparing the way, aligning every step with my divine purpose. The waiting may feel long, but do not grow discouraged. I am working in ways you cannot yet see. Every delay has a purpose. Every closed door is my protection. Every hardship is refining you, making you stronger, drawing you closer to me. Trust my timing, for I make all things beautiful in their season. My child, do not let fear hold you back. I have placed dreams in your heart, and I will equip you to fulfill them. Step forward in faith, knowing that I am your provider, your protector, your unfailing refuge. When the world shakes around you, stand firm on my promises, for my word never fails. Lift your eyes, for your redemption is near. What you have prayed for is coming. What you have longed for is unfolding. Keep your heart fixed on me, and you will see my goodness overflow in your life. I am with you in every valley, in every trial, in every triumph. You are never alone. You are deeply loved. I am always with you. Type Amen to claim it. My precious child, do you know how deeply I love you? Before you took your first breath, I knew you. Before you spoke your first word, I had already written your story. Every moment of your life is in my hands, and nothing, no trial, no mistake, no force in this world can separate you from my love. You are mine, and I am always with you. I see your heart growing weary. The battles you face may seem overwhelming. The prayers you have lifted may feel unanswered, and the weight of waiting may feel too much to bear. But hear me, beloved. I am not slow in keeping my promises. Every tear you have cried, I have counted. Every prayer you have whispered, I have heard. Even in the silence, I am working on your behalf. You may not understand why certain doors have closed or why some prayers seem delayed. But trust me, my child, for I am the God who sees the end from the beginning. I do not withhold my blessings from you. I am preparing you for them. Some things you have asked for require growth before they can be given. Some dreams need time before they can unfold. But know this, nothing is wasted in my hands. Every season serves a purpose, even the ones that seem painful. You may feel weak, but I am your strength. When you don't know what to do, lean on me. When you feel lost, let my word guide you. I have given you a lamp for your feet, a light for your path. My truth will never fail you. You do not have to figure everything out on your own. I will lead you. I will carry you. I will sustain you. Do not be afraid to walk through the unknown. I go before you, making a way where there seems to be none. The mountains you face are not too big for me. The obstacles before you are not greater than my power. I am the same God who parted the seas, who moved the mountains, who raised the dead. Do you think your situation is beyond my reach? My child, nothing is impossible for me. Hold on to my promises. Though the night may seem long, morning is coming. Though the storm may rage, I am your shelter. Though the enemy may try to shake you, he cannot take what is mine. Stand firm, keep your faith, keep your eyes on me. The breakthrough you have prayed for is closer than you think. The peace you long for is already yours in my presence. The love you seek is found in me. Do not grow weary, my beloved. I am working all things together for your good. You are not forgotten. You are not forsaken. You are forever held in my hands. Type Amen if you agree. Like this video if you believe in God. Subscribe this channel for more videos.